My God.
So today, for something to smile about, we have a conversation, but we can only start each word of each sentence with a letter from the alphabet in alphabetical order, which would suggest we go A, B, C, D. It's a very simple thing. For example, A, apple, for fruit, B, banana. Ooh, okay.
Full sentences?
Full sentence?
I don't know.
And every single word in the sentence must start with A?
No.
Just the first one?
The first word in the sentence.
First word in the sentence.
Okay.
An apple a day
breaks your hunger.
Cause if you did hungry before,
That not nice.
even if you're never hungry,
Food for eat.
go on, Sim.
Okay, Nev.
I like it.
Oh,
K with it.
oh, right. K or J?
J.
Oh. Just like that. Yeah.
K. Kiss me now.
No! Love me no.
Me must love you.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
it's an N. It's an N. You haven't said
No.
no.
Love me. No. Love me. Yes.
What? No, I said love me now.
Right, and I said no. Love me. Wait.
O?
Wait. L. Where reach?
N.
H I J
Says
K.
O. Oh no.
L.
I said
M.
love me.
And I said love. No. Yes.
I said me. And yeah, we reached O. O is me or she? Is me?
Sure you don't want any changes.
I feel like we'd mess up the game.
No,
But then
man.
what's new?
No, man. You're right, man. So I was going to say, oh, you mean, but
No, well,
that is a H.
well, in our language it can keep. Yeah. So what you saying?
Other than the fact that I love you, let me know.
Bzz, pass.
Quick though.
All right.
Q-U.
QR.
A QR?
Somebody doesn't know their alphabets.
QR.
Yes.
Right.
Seriously?
Today.
Understand.
V. Give me a word.
I can't give you a word. I'm thinking about my word.
A few moments later.
We can't just say veranda. What that mean?
No, that don't mean nothing in this context, sir.
Say.
Find something that makes sense.
Very, very difficult.
Why you do it? Blank. Oh my.
Which word start with X? So, I mean, if it just says I love, the word does start with X.
What? Clive just said zebra starts with X.
That's a Z.
Our floor manager said
It's a Z, Clive.
Clive. Clive,
Clive
Google
said
is your
zebra.
Google is your friend, Clive. Oh no.
X that out.
We read X that out. Yo. Finish. Z is you.
Huh?
My word was yo.
You said yo.
Yo.
Zin.
Zin. We're done. That is.
And anybody understand that conversation a while ago?
We should document it. We'd like the transcript, please, to be able to read it again because it was an absolute disaster.
Hold on, we could start again and see if we can actually have a real conversation.
All right.
So we
Let
have
me
like-
start with A.
You going to start with
Yes.
it? All right.
Okay. I was going.
Go on. Go on.
A thought just came to my mind.
Because why?
Because I was wondering what was going to be for lunch today.
Dumpling. Banana. Well, I get dumpling.
Even though I like those, I'm thinking egg.
For why?
Good for you.
Hot or
A
cold?
few moments later.
I think hot. Boiled.
Just so?
Cook with some pepper.
Cook the salad with cake.
KFC. I'd like some KFC.
Like some KFC. All right, let me know. Let me see if I have money.
Ooh. My response is yes.
A few
No, sir.
moments.
Leave me alone, Shane.
No.
Oh, no?
No.
Oh, you change your mind?
P. Conversation are going well.
Yes, yes. Keep it up. Let's say.
Perhaps, yeah.
Quietly, you're very mean.
Right now?
Several days a week.
All right.
You done?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that. That was good.
Brain workout this morning.
There you go.
Stay with us, everybody. When we come back, it is a highway to heaven. Dr. Minister Caroline Davis. Minister Dr. Caroline Davis is with us. Let's come back. None can walk up.